Located on one of Barrington's prettiest tree-lined streets, this gorgeous colonial sits on a near-acre lot with professional landscaping and specimen trees. The sun-bathed interior features an open floor plan with high ceilings and custom woodwork, while a generous mudroom connects the attached two-car garage to the main living area. Adjoining the entryway are a formal dining room and living room where wide windows and wainscoting create a wonderful environment to gather family and friends. The open chef's kitchen boasts white cabinetry, professional Viking appliances, and a sunny breakfast area by the picturesque bay window overlooking the deep, beautiful lot. The family room opens directly from the kitchen and has a wood-burning fireplace with lovely built-ins. French doors walk out to the family room onto the sun-splashed deck, looking out onto the beautiful lot with gorgeous gardens and a charming shed. The second floor contains a generous master suite featuring a fireplace, a nook for a private office, a walk-in closet, and a white luxury bathroom. 3 oversized bedrooms, a full bath, and a laundry room complete this level. Skylights illuminate the abundant living space on the 3rd level, which can be used as a studio space or guest suite with a private bath. The beautifully finished lower level offers a high ceiling, a wet bar, wine fridge, and plenty of space to create a playroom, rec room, or home office. Water access at the end of the cul-de-sac allows you to kayak or fish and enjoy the river at one of its widest points. This home is close to 2 schools that are part of Barrington's Blue Ribbon education system and down the street from the Kent Street tennis courts and nature trails. Barrington offers plenty of bayside attractions including the Town Beach, Yacht Club, and the Rhode Island Country Club. Travel the shoreline along the East Bay Bike Path or take a 20-minute drive and check out all the sights of downtown Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Ellen Yost at area code 401-480-1117.